Kundalini and choosing freedom over the matrix. Choosing freedom over the matrix means that you are choosing your individual life. Kundalini is all about making you free from all the blockages of resisting life's flow. For example, when you are stuck in the matrix, in the societal conditioning, in the conditioning and the collective unconsciousness of the world, most of you who are going through Kundalini Awakening, they don't know what Kundalini want and how she operates. So for that, I am giving you a clarity that if you are choosing freedom over the matrix, it means that you are focusing on your individual life. This individual life, you are what? An electromagnetic field. This field of energy, you just see me, how you operate as an individual. This is an electromagnetic field. When you spread your arms from the top of your head till this much distance, and if you rotate in 360-degree direction, then this much is your electromagnetic field. This is your aura. What you see with your naked eye is the physical body, but you are not confined to this physical body. The way this electromagnetic field is spread around this area, everything, every object, these flowers, these have their electromagnetic fields. And when you come near these flowers, you will be able to feel their energy. Why does this happen? Because of the energy, electromagnetic field of these flowers. Similarly, this is a plastic chair. It has its own electromagnetic field. Now what Kundalini is doing to you in the name of freedom or whatever understanding you have about freedom is your own life. Kundalini wants you to live your own life. The way these flowers are living their life, you just simply live the life of the human organism that you are. And how to live that life? You live on your own terms. You have your physical body, it has its own needs, it has instinctive functions, eating, sleeping, then clearing your bowel, evacuation, then creativity, creating life, enjoying life, taking pleasures from the five senses, and also being intuitive, going ahead in life with your sixth sense, having sex, the instinctive function. This means that with a partner, you can have healthy sex and then evolve from that experience. All these are primary functions of this human organism. Now due to the society, civilization, matrix, you are not actually enjoying these pleasures of life. And that is why you are stuck, your energy is stuck, your life force is stuck. Kundalini wants you to break free from the matrix and enjoy this freedom of life where you can do anything you want anytime. For example, it was very easy for me to sit in this position without any effort because in me Kundalini has been integrated. I am embodied Kundalini power myself. I can be instinctive without trying to become anything. I can fold my legs, sit like this very naturally. But I am sure many of you will find it very difficult to sit on the floor. You will think multiple times because in the civilized society, in the developed society, you are made to feel that everything has germs and too much of conditioning has been done. I have met with many patients who are having obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, where they are finicky about cleanliness. They keep cleaning all the time and that has made them into a patient. They are having neurosis condition where the nervous system is totally damaged. And when you feel that yes, now this space can give me the freedom to just lie down and relax, this will give you real grounding. With this, you can see the sky above, the rains have fallen and you can see the blue sky there, little bit visible from the clouds, and just have this experience whenever you can, wherever you can. Just feel this grandness of life, this freedom to do anything, the freedom to smell the flowers, the freedom to touch leaves, the freedom to touch the sand, ground, and the freedom to be yourself. You are none other than a monkey evolved into apes, and over millions of years you have become the new human being of the civilized society which has deteriorated in its condition. You were not meant to live life like this, and that is why the primordial energy in you, Kundalini, awakens to make you realize who you are. And this evolutionary journey is continuous. It is not going to stop. So get up from your home, get out in the open space, whatever is possible for you. Start walking and start just being yourself. I may walk in front of you, you can just look from a distance. I will just go around this natural place, and it was so simple. This is what I am showing you. I am here now, and look at this beautiful view, these beautiful flowers. It's freedom, real freedom. So this was so simple. You are activating your muscles, you are activating your brain, you are activating your nervous system. You are activating your 5 senses. You have to take action, you have to invest in yourself for this freedom. It will not come to you automatically. It will not come to you. No one is going to give you. You have to invest, you have to love yourself, you have to become selfish. So this is what Kundalini wants to teach you. The real freedom is to become selfish. Think about your individuality and leave the matrix. It is quite glamorous life like this, full of freedom. Freedom is the glamour. If you want this life, I am here to guide you. Thank you and bye-bye.